Who will eat the hay? One day a camel, a goat, and an ass were walking down the road when they saw a bundle of hay lying roadside. But it was not sufficient for all three of them. The ass said, "This hay is not enough for all three of us. Let the oldest among us eat it." The goat and the camel agreed. But they started arguing about who was older among them. Suddenly, the camel started eating the hay. The goat shouted, "What are you doing?" At this, the camel replied, "You just said that the oldest may eat it. Look at my knobby joints and wrinkled skin. So, I am the oldest." Saying this, the camel went ahead and ate the hay.